Hi friends, this is from On the Way. Today I have taken another problem of LeetCode 75, the most frequent asked questions. The question given is this is a very popular question. The question is lowest common ancestor of binary tree. You must know what is the ancestor. Ancestor means like parents or more older parents in this way. So the question given is given a binary tree, find the lowest common ancestor of two given nodes. There is two node given denoted by P and Q. We have to find what will be the most common ancestor of both of them. If suppose P equal to 5 and Q equal to 1, then ancestor there will be one only, means there is only one node, that is 3, that will be the most common ancestor. If there is something 1, something 2, we have to return what will be the most lowest. What question is given? The most lowest common, what is the lowest value and common both of these, and this is the also ancestor of the both the node. You can go through the question properly. Okay, you can do in various method. Let me do in very simple method by recursion. For recursion we have to do one base case, like if suppose if root equal to null, then what we will have to return? We will return return root or null is not it, because root equal to null. Or suppose if root value equal to if root equal to p, or root equal to q, then we'll return root. Why? Because one of both p and q, one between p and q, if that will be the root node, what will be the most common ancestor? Because after that there will be no ancestor exist. And if suppose between p and q there is one is uh, p or q, between them if one is root node, then that will be the that will return the root node, that will be the most common lowest ancestor. Okay. And in this way we can call a recursion. Take left part, suppose left equal to lowest common ancestor root left, and we will pass p and q both. And in this way we will take the right part and call right subtree. Okay. And what we will return? Suppose if the answer is if both p or q both is present, if suppose both p and q is present in left side, so answer will be written recursively. The answer will be p. Answer will be left. If both the node p and q present in right side, so answer will be right. In this, like this is right. And if p is this side and q is this side, what will it will be written? It will be written root node. So what we will write? Return if no answer is present in left side, then we will return right, or else return left. Or if not left, or not right. then it will be left or root. Let's run the code. Oh, let me check. Oh, I've taken 3 equal to. Sorry. Yeah, this is accepted. Let's submit it. Yeah, with good score, it is accepted. You must understand the what the question is. The question given is find the lowest common ancestor between P and Q. Uh, Lowest common ancestor of P and Q. If P is this side, Q is this side, then what will be the lowest common ancestor? That will be root. If both P and Q is present in left side, then what will be written? It will be written left. If both P and Q present in right side, what it will be written? It will be written right. And if root will between P and Q, if anyone is root, then definitely that will return root. Okay. In this way, we can solve the question. And what will be the time and space complexity of the code? The time complexity, as you are seeing here, the time complexity will be, in OR's case, the time complexity will be the number of nodes present in the binary tree. That will be big O n. Suppose there are n number of nodes. And what will be the space complexity? Space complexity will be same, big O of n. And if the best case present, that will be big O of log n. Okay, you can check it properly. See you in next question.